Activated. Defense turret activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy Hassan. Now I am talking about Nokia button phone. This is Nokia 150 button phone. There are lots of features. 2.4-inch display, texture camera with backlight, rear camera with LED flash, modern design, metallic details and robust build quality. FM radio wireless and wired, works with or without a headset. Longer talk and standby times, removable 1450 mAh battery, micro USB charging. MP3 player with micro SD card slot, support up to 32 GB, torch, snake cave included, and also voice recorder. Now I am unboxing this phone, so let's see. This is the phone. Warranty card. This is quick guide. This is the battery. And this is the charger. The phone is looking so stylish. Feels well when I pressing this K button. There are two SIM card slot and one micro SD memory card slot. This is 1450 mAh battery. Sound is good. Let's see the ringtone. Wow, so loud. This is microphone and this is headphone jack and charging port. This is speaker and camera and also LED flashlight. Yeah, Nokia is the best, really. I like it. Yeah, I like this phone. Okay guys, thanks for watching.